everyone! We are getting ready for Easter. I want to tell you, what are we doing for Easter? We are going to decorate our Easter tree. It's really pretty. We'll take some eggs and then poke all the yolk out onto the plate. Now we have to take the yolk out. And if it's not working that way, then if you have an injector, then grab an injector and then put it in the egg and then take out all the yolk. Yay, the yolk is all gone now. So now we are gonna grab the white paint and put it all on the eggs, and you can use whatever color you want. So yeah, and we're gonna use white. So let's start. This is the last egg with white on it. And if you want, you can color your branches. I'm going to color them white. Decided to use 4 eggs for blue. Now we'll mix it up. If your eggs are really dry, then you can put it on the tree. There you go. This is the next one. If you don't want it to fall off the tree, if the wind blows, then you can just break it into 2 parts and then put it on like that. Like that. And now we're gonna decorate the tree with little tiny chicks. Maybe you have your own ideas, guys. Guys, look how beautiful our tree looks now. Everybody have a happy Easter. Bye!